YouTube TV Multiview is a fantastic feature for sports fans and multitaskers, allowing you to watch up to 4 streams simultaneously on a single screen. This means you can keep up with multiple games, shows, or events at once without switching between channels. Here's how it works and how to use it. Eligibility. The Multiview feature is available only on compatible devices, such as Android TVs, certain smart TVs, and the YouTube TV website. It's not supported on all platforms, so ensure your device supports this functionality. Accessing Multiview. Open the YouTube TV app or website and start playing a live stream. Look for the Multiview icon, usually represented by a grid of squares, on the screen. Tap or click it to enable Multiview, customizing streams. Once activated, you can add up to 3 more streams to your screen. Browse the guide or search for specific channels to populate the additional slots. Each stream will play in its own quadrant, giving you a split-screen experience. Audio control. By default, only one stream's audio plays at a time. Simply tap on the quadrant you want to focus on, and the audio will switch to that stream. While Multiview is a game changer for live sports and news, keep in mind that it requires a strong internet connection to handle multiple streams simultaneously. If your connection is slow, consider lowering the video quality to prevent buffering. If this guide helped you understand YouTube TV Multiview better, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.